In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new Google form. Whether you're gathering RSVPs for an event, conducting a survey, or just trying to organize information, Google Forms is a fantastic tool to have in your toolkit. Let's walk through the process step by step, making it as simple and straightforward as possible. To get started, you'll need to open your preferred web browser and sign in to your Google account. Once you're logged in, find your way to the Google Docs homepage. It's the hub where all your document-related activities begin. Now, let's navigate to the Tools menu. This is your starting point for most tasks or tools you'll need within Google Docs. The Tools menu is conveniently located at the top of your Google Docs screen. Clicking on it will reveal a drop-down menu with a variety of options. Within this menu, look for the Create a New Form option. Clicking on it will open up a fresh Google form, ready for you to customize to your needs. This is where you start building your form structure and content. The first step here is to give your form a title. Click on the area labeled Form Title and type in a name that's descriptive and relevant to the purpose of your form. This helps not only you, but also your respondents understand the form's intent. Next, it's time to focus on the questions you want to include. Click on the Question section to start writing your first question. This might be a simple text question, multiple choice, or any other format that fits what you're looking to find out. Flexibility is one of Google Forms' strongest features, so take advantage of the question types available. To choose the type of question, you'll find a drop-down menu next to each question field titled Question Types. Clicking this will let you select from options like short answer, paragraph, multiple choice, checkboxes, and more. Consider the kind of responses you need when selecting your format. After choosing the type, click on Selection to finalize your decision. This action confirms the type of question you're setting up and gives you a chance to input any specific choices or criteria needed for the responses. Continue to add questions and customize them as needed. Each question can be individually designed to best gather the information you're after. And there you have it. With these steps, you've crafted a basic Google form ready to be filled out by respondents. Remember, Google Forms can be further customized with themes and advanced settings, but this guide helps you establish the foundational structure. Before you share your form, take a moment to preview it. This ensures everything looks the way you want it to and functions properly. You've now got the basics of creating a Google form down, and it's ready to be put to work for whatever you need. Happy form creating!